Hi, welcome again to this question we have, and the question says that there are wheels of a car, and the diameter of each of the wheels is 8 centimeters. And how many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 kilometers per hour? Right. So this is what it is. Now, suppose let's understand this question like this: that we have, suppose this is the wheel of the car, right? And this is the road which we have, and suppose the car is traveling from this point, from this point to this point in 10 minutes. So this is the distance covered in 10 minutes by the wheel of the car, and the distance covered in one full round by this wheel is basically this, right? Because this point will move, and once it comes and touches the ground again, that's the one full round traveled by the wheel, right? So that will be the circumference of the wheel. So we can say that the circumference of the wheel will be equal to the distance covered in one full round, right? Now, what we need to find out from this question, in this question, is that how many complete revolutions the wheel would make in 10 minutes, in traveling at 10 minutes when it is traveling at the speed of 66 kilometers per hour. So we know that car speed rather is equal to 66 kilometers per hour. So that means we can say that it is traveling 66 kilometers in 60 minutes, right? So it will travel how many kilometers in 10 minutes? It will travel 1/6, or 1/6 of it, right, in 10 minutes. So we will divide it by 66 over 6, so many kilometers in how much? 10 minutes time, right? So now this means that it travels 11 kilometers in 10 minutes, or let's now convert it into centimeters, because we have the tire in the centimeters. So that's like 11 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 100. That's so many centimeters in 10 minutes is what it will travel, or it will cover. So this is like 11 lakh centimeters in 10 minutes. Now we are going to talk about the number of revolutions. So the number of revolutions is going to be equal to the total distance covered in 10 minutes, which is this, right? So distance covered in 10 minutes divided by the distance covered in one full round. That's one revolution, and that's the circumference, right? So now let's put the values and we will get the answer. So this is like 11 lakhs centimeters, right, divided by 22, it's 2 pi r, right? That's the circumference formula is 2 pi r. So let's write this to 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r, and r is going to be, the diameter is given as 80 centimeters, so r will be 80 upon 2, and that's like 40 centimeters. So we will put that as 40, and now let's simplify it. So it's like 11 lakh multiplied by 7, and that's like 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 40. Now let's simplify this. So 11, 2 and 11, like this is 1 lakh, and then we simplify it. It's like 7 lakhs divided by it's like 7 lakhs divided by 40 into 4, so that's like 160. So what we get as a final answer is this. Let me just take the help from the calculator. So that's like 7 lakh divided by 160. So that's like 4,375, right? So that's like, these are the total number of revolutions which the car tire would make when the car is running at the rate of 66 kilometers per hour, and it takes 10 minutes to take these many revolutions. So I hope you could understand this. This was the final answer. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.